Using a priority pass at restaurants is a straightforward process for pass holders. To start, you can use your pass to enjoy food and beverages at participating airport restaurants. It's essential to confirm the restaurant's participation and access important details, such as opening hours, facilities, and directions, via the Priority Pass application. To gain entry, simply show your membership card and same-day boarding pass. If you're traveling with a friend, you can bring them along, as the pass typically allows access for yourself and one guest at most restaurants. You'll receive a $28 credit per person, which translates to a total of $56 for 2 people. However, as the cardholder, you're responsible for any additional charges exceeding the designated discount amount. Overall, utilizing a priority pass at restaurants is a convenient and easy process.